Welcome to Mind Flows. Today, we'll teach you how to add a workspace with Monday.com. Are you looking for a better way to manage your team? Workspaces are a great way to make it easier for you to manage numerous teams, departments, and projects in one location. With so much going on all around you, you can now effortlessly move between teams, departments, or projects while maintaining your attention on what matters to you. So let's get going. To add a workspace, click these three dots on the upper left of your screen. By then, enter the name of your workspace by department or organization. You can also rename your workspace later on. Edit your workspace photo by uploading a picture. Open Workspace is available for all plans. With it, all your team members can freely join. While a closed workspace, team members can join by request or invite. Click Add Workspace. Your new workspace may be empty for now, but you can always add templates from this button or start from scratch. You can start inviting a team member once you are the workspace owner by adding their names here. Add a description to let other team members capture what the specific workspace is for. Should you wish to rename it by this time, you can do it here or by clicking the three dots on the right and selecting Rename Workspace. Another thing you can do in this option is to delete the workspace. Now, you can start adding boards by clicking Add and choosing Templates. Thanks to Monday Workspaces, your entire team can now collaborate seamlessly by departments, improve the way they communicate, and you will be able to manage organizational silos. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We're Mind Flows, a certified Monday.com partner.